Experience next-level performance and immersive visuals built for competitive and high-end gaming setups today. Best Gaming Desktop delivers powerful graphics, ultra-fast processing, smooth multitasking, and reliable cooling systems for modern gamers seeking maximum performance, speed, and long-lasting upgrade potential today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop. The Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop is built for gamers who want premium performance wrapped inside a futuristic and refined chassis. Right away, the matte basalt black finish gives this system a sleek appearance that feels modern without becoming overly flashy. Alienware's signature stadium lighting and customizable Alien FX zones add personality to the setup, allowing users to create a gaming environment that matches their style. The design also feels more optimized compared to previous Aurora generations, offering improved airflow and a cleaner internal layout that helps during long gaming sessions. Performance is where this desktop truly stands out. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 2655KF processor alongside the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, the system delivers excellent results in modern AAA titles, competitive esports games, and demanding creator workloads. Ray tracing performance looks impressive, and DLSS support helps maintain high frame rates even when visual settings are pushed to maximum levels. Whether playing at 1440p Ultra settings or stepping into 4K gaming, the Aurora handles demanding titles smoothly, while also remaining capable for streaming and multitasking. Thermal management is another major strength. The optional 240mm liquid cooling system does a solid job controlling temperatures during extended gaming marathons, helping the processor sustain higher boost clocks under pressure. Number 2. MSI Aegis R2 Gaming Desktop. The MSI Aegis R2 Gaming Desktop is designed for users who want top-tier gaming hardware combined with clean aesthetics and dependable cooling performance. The first thing that stands out about this system is the balance between aggressive gaming styling and practical usability. MSI keeps the design modern without overcomplicating the appearance, making the desktop suitable for both gaming rooms and professional setups. The built-in RGB lighting adds extra flair, while the dedicated MSI LED button makes changing lighting modes simple and convenient. Under the hood, the system is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti graphics card, creating a powerful combination for modern gaming workloads. This desktop excels in high refresh rate 1440p gaming and is also fully capable of handling 4K gaming in many titles. The RTX 5070 Ti provides excellent ray tracing performance, faster AI-enhanced rendering, and smoother gameplay in visually demanding games. The processor also handles multitasking exceptionally well, making the desktop a strong choice for users who stream gameplay, edit videos, or run multiple applications simultaneously. Cooling performance is another strong advantage of the Aegis R2. MSI includes 4 system cooling fans alongside an RGB CPU air cooler, ensuring consistent airflow throughout the chassis. The 3 front intake fans help pull cool air directly across critical components, while the rear exhaust fan efficiently removes heat. Number 3. MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop. The MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop offers an impressive balance of gaming performance, multitasking capability, and efficient cooling in a streamlined pre-built system. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, this desktop delivers strong gaming responsiveness thanks to its 8-core and 16-thread configuration. With boost speeds reaching up to 5.0 GHz, the system handles demanding modern games smoothly, while also supporting streaming, background applications, and productivity workloads without noticeable slowdowns.
The processor pairs extremely well with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, creating a setup capable of delivering excellent performance at both 1440p and 4K resolutions. Gaming visuals look sharp and fluid thanks to NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, which significantly improves ray tracing and rasterization performance. DLSS technology further enhances frame rates in supported games, allowing users to enjoy ultra-quality settings while maintaining smooth gameplay. Competitive titles run exceptionally well at high refresh rates, while cinematic AAA games benefit from improved lighting, reflections, and realistic visual effects. MSI also focuses heavily on thermal performance in the Codex Z2. The desktop includes an ARGB air cooler combined with 4 system fans configured for balanced airflow.
Number 4. KOTIN G60B Gaming Desktop. The KOTIN G60B gaming desktop stands out as a powerful and visually impressive pre-built gaming system designed for users who want high-end hardware with premium presentation. One of the most eye-catching features is the large 11.3-inch smart display integrated into the chassis. This display provides real-time system information such as CPU temperature, weather updates, and time monitoring, giving the desktop a futuristic appearance while also adding useful functionality. The overall build feels modern and premium, with synchronized ARGB lighting creating an attractive gaming setup that immediately draws attention. Performance is another major strength. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, the desktop is built to handle modern AAA games at high settings with excellent frame rates. The RTX 5070's 12GB GDDR7 memory and DLSS4 multi-frame generation technology help deliver smooth gameplay, advanced ray tracing, and lower latency in supported titles. Whether gaming at 1440p ultra settings or stepping into 4K gaming, the system provides strong visual quality and responsive performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 9700X also offers plenty of processing power for multitasking, content creation, streaming, and productivity workloads. Thermal performance is equally impressive thanks to the advanced 360mm liquid cooling system.
Number 5. ASUS ROG Gaming Desktop. The ASUS ROG Gaming Desktop delivers a premium gaming experience by combining powerful hardware, advanced cooling, and one of the most recognizable gaming designs on the market. The dual-glass chassis immediately creates a high-end appearance, showcasing internal components and RGB lighting in a clean and organized layout. ASUS incorporates its iconic ROG styling throughout the system, including Aura Sync RGB lighting and the signature ROG slash design elements that give the desktop a bold gaming identity. The spacious 58-liter chassis also provides enough room for large graphics cards and future hardware upgrades. Performance is excellent thanks to the Intel Core Ultra 7 2655KF processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. This hardware combination handles modern AAA gaming smoothly, while also supporting multitasking, streaming, and creative workloads. Games run exceptionally well at 1440p ultra settings, while many titles are also fully playable at 4K resolutions with ray tracing enabled. The 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth system responsiveness even when running multiple applications simultaneously, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers fast boot times, quick file transfers, and reduced loading screens in games.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.